Everybody, welcome back. I must say, you are looking wunderbar. Good to see y'all again. Today, a little backstory real quick. If you're new here, just kick back and listen. You'll understand soon. If you're not new here, you'll understand real fast. I did that Namoki pilot build, and I actually really loved it. So, doing a little research, and I came across what I think is very close to, or at least very likely, or very possibly, let's leave it at that, the I don't know, the what this dial is kind of based on. That is the Sinn 857, and ever since I've seen it, I've kind of fell in love with it. So that's what we're doing today. This is my Sinn 857 homage. Now, I can't get the tegmented steel, but I can get sandblasted stuff. It's a fairly decent facsimile, I would say. It's not quite as dark as the real thing from what I can tell, but I could be wrong. So, and I've got sandblasted or bee blasted, whichever you want to call it, case, bracelet, bezel, doing the whole works, and a pilot bezel insert in a bit. Like, there you go. So this is going to be, like, even the crown is. So I really love this watch. I wanted to build one for, I don't know, for me at least at the moment. We'll see. I might not sell it. It might not go anywhere. It might stay in the collection. At least it definitely will for the moment. Unless I'm horribly disappointed, but I can't see that being the case at all. So let's get some hands exposed. Where's the little finger thingies? There we go. Now, in case you're wondering where parts is from, quick and easy. Namokimods dial, Namokimods hands. Case was from Namokimods. Wow, brain fart. DLW bezel insert and a Toki Labs bracelet, 'cause that's the only place I could find that bracelet. Wow, so there's just stuff from everywhere today. But that's okay. Sometimes that's how you have to do it. So, let's get some hands set. Now this is all, I think, I could be wrong, but I think the Sinn is C3 Superluminova, but this is all BGW9. I wanted the blue, so everything's all blue loomed on here. Where's me hand setting to? There we go. Alrighty. Here, when you're going for your Rodico, give it a stretch or two. See if you can find yourself a nice fresh piece to work with. Yeah, it's not sitting there in the dust or anything. Alrighty, let's get some hands set, shall we? I hope you're in a good spot to see this time. Whoa. Oh, that's just the movement settling in the case holder. Scared the piss out of me. As usual, I'm going to come forward For me, a little left, because I tend to do that. Alright, that's looking pretty good. There. Wunderbar. C'est magnifique. Wunderbar. Wunderbar, wunderbar. Looking pretty darn good. There we go. Just check our tolerances. We're looking good. Looking fabulous. So I got the dial all nice and cleaned up. That took a minute, but it's done. Before I started, I went ahead and installed the crystal and chapter ring. It's just a plain brush chapter ring and a flat blue AR Sapphire. So just quick and easy. If you need to watch a video, I've got lots where I do that. So what I want to do now is get this cased up real quick, and we will do a chapter, or do the stem. Now, I don't want anything in this thing, so all right, let's get this cased up. Oh, this is so tight. It's a really nice movement holder, but oh my god, it sits so tight. I almost worry about damaging the movement, peeling it out of there. But it should be okay. It's from Namokimods, the movement holder. So to be honest, I'm going to say it should be fine. Oh, for the love of Pete. See, I'm nervous about jamming it in there. Whoa, that's what she said. There we go. For the love of all things deep fried. Okay, let's get her cased. Damn, that's just so good looking already. I saw this watch and it was just like, oh my, oh my. I mean, I like Sinn, but this one just really, really tickled me in all the right ways. It was one of those I must have you kind of moments, you know? We all been there. But let's see. Get her done in one again. Yeah, we'll go there. Get the tweezers. Oh, for the love of. Ah, I just thought about this. I think my pal Florian might really like this one. Oh, come on. Stop looking through the lens, jackass. There, see? As soon as I stop looking through the lens, everything's fine. That's going to be way too long. Yeah. Almost faux show. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's long. Yeah, not as long as I expected. Let's see. I'll give it a spin down. No, it won't even grab. Alright, take it out. Trim it down. Do it again, son. And she is sized. Now, actually, I'm just going to pull it out and give it a lube. You know the drill. You know the drill. Give it some lube on those gaskets. That's enough. It's there. There we go. Now we'll get ourselves a case back gasket. Yeah. Got a couple marinating. Alrighty. Now I'm just going to hand tight that one for now. Because I've been having some horrible luck lately. I get it all figured out, get it finished, and then I look closer, quality control, right? And then I'll notice there's something on the flipping dial. So, yeah. Before I get carried away, we're going to do it like this today. Wow. M&M, look out. Alright. Let's get this bezel on there. I don't know about you guys, but I think that this whole thing looks pretty dang close to the real thing. I'm not trying to be perfect, never am. Ugh. Crikey. Oh, the bloody thing is loose. Sounded like I broke stuff, but I did not, so. It's not doing its thing right. We need to fix that. I'm gonna be real gentle like getting this one off of here. Yeah. Make sure you always keep your tools sharp. Don't just use them right out of the box. Honestly, you'll fight with them. Sharpen them. You will be so much happier with the results. Well, I'm really not sure what the dealio was with this damn thing. Tried to even it on a couple different cases, and for some reason it just wasn't happy. Tolerance is just too tight, I guess, but that's okay. That's why it never hurts to have extra parts kicking around. So, let's get this bezel insert on and get this on a bracelet because I'm very excited. And then we'll get a loom shot because this thing's going to look killer. Oops. I'll go around before I mash it down. Looking good. Exactly where I want it. Cool. Yep, that's how I want it. I think that's looking killer already. I'm very happy with this. Excellent. Oh, hell yeah. That looks so good. I don't know if you guys like that, but I'm loving that. Like I say, it's all sandblasted, so it's supposed to look like that tegmented steel of theirs. Even got an S crown, because I'm a sinner now. I'm a zinner. Here, let's do the loom, because this is all blue, except for the date wheel. Forgot to tell you guys, I changed the date wheel out of there. I'll leave a link for it, but you'll see. It's in green. The rest of it's all in blue, in the BGW9. Damn, it's too bright outside. I will take a better loom shot, and I'll have it in the JPEG for sure, because I know this thing's going to be an absolute torch. Anyway, Namokimods kicks ass. Love you guys. Cheers. Thanks for joining me once again. I hope you enjoyed. A little something different. Come back, we'll do something different again. Later, guys.